Question number 11, can I teach NLP to others after doing this training? The answer is yes and no. Yes, you can, but only in an informal way. So you might, for example, be running workshops in corporate situations, or maybe just in your local community where you've got people that would benefit from learning the skills. You are absolutely available to do that and to get paid for the doing of it. However, you cannot teach people to a level of accreditation. So what that means is the people that attend any training sessions from you can have certificates of ascendance? No. Can have certificates of attendance, but they cannot have certifications to say that they too are now a qualified practitioner of NLP. So within NLP, the only people that can provide those certificates of accreditation are NLP trainers, of which I am one. And that means that I'm able to give you a certification to be an NLP practitioner, should you meet the criteria. And equally, I can accredit you to be an NLP Master practitioner, which is the next level up. So NLP Trainer is the level after that, and Master Trainer is the highest level of NLP training, and that allows you to accredit other people to be trainers of NLP. So there is a hierarchy there in place around NLP training. You can absolutely share the skills with others. I absolutely encourage you to do so, and would also suggest that you really look to monetize that opportunity, but you won't be able to qualify people as practitioners in their own right.